Hello guys, I'm Parus, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, Nifty making negative price action. As I said, markets can open with a bit of gap up, and then either you can wait for this level to be broken, or you can wait for negative price action at higher levels, right? If you see in the 5-minute chart, Nifty in initial time, Nifty started making positive price action, but if you see, then the price action started to bend, right? And so you could have also taken an early entry at 19,280 285 when Nifty started making lower lows as compared to higher lows, right? And so you could have taken an entry over here, right? And from there, if you see, our first target of 19,100 has come easily, and as I said, right, maybe 19,000 might not come tomorrow itself, but that is also a target, right? And so you can book your profit at 19,100 for the day, and if you see markets hitting our target of 19,100 and then just kind of consolidating or being a little volatile in the end, right? Talking about Bank Nifty also same thing, opened with a gap up, gave you a very good opportunity to short at 43,300, 43,200, all these levels. And from there, Bank Nifty also hitting our first target of 42,800 in the end, right? So yes, definitely Bank Nifty took a little bit more time, but yes, if you would have shorted a call option, you would have gotten a pretty good DK in the end also, right? So that was all fine and stuff. There is definitely a bit more space left, and we are going to talk about it, but definitely let's go into the daily chart first and see. Right now, if you see, market is at a bit of a zone from where the buying had come previously, so chances are that tomorrow, if the market comes down even more, it might take support and close higher, right? Since it's a monthly expiry and monthly expiries tend to be very volatile, right? So what could happen is that tomorrow in the first half of the market, if say we open negative or maybe open flat, we could go down a little bit, and then in the end we could recover or see again a recovery in the market, right? So tomorrow we will not go very aggressive, and for Nifty 19,000 is also very important. So maybe a lot of people might want to book their profits in 19,000. Then maybe we might see a bit of pull back till 19,200, 19,250, 300, all these levels, and then we might again see a trend continuation, right? So over here, very simple. Tomorrow in the first half, we can go ahead and take a selling trade, but again, do not go very aggressive right now. Why? Because already a lot of trend has gone, right? So now if we are entering into a trend, chances are we might see a pullback, and then we might lose money. So tomorrow we will not go aggressive on the selling side. We will also not go aggressive on the buying side until unless some things happen, and I'll tell you about those also. But yes, tomorrow we will not go aggressive on the selling side below 19,080. Once we start crossing 19,075, you can again go ahead and take a short trade till 19,020 only. Do not go till 19,000. Maybe market might go till 19,020, 19,010, and then again reverse, right? So you can take this trade, but take this trade with less quantity. Do not take it with big quantity, because market has already moved down very sharply, right? Nifty has moved down from 19,500 to 19,100 without any major pullbacks, right? This was like the last time Nifty consolidated. After that, there has been no consolidation, and Nifty has continued to move down straight. All right. So over here, very simple. Tomorrow you can go ahead and take a selling trade below this, but keep your quantity less, right? And you can only and take a trade till over here, and then we'll square off. After that, if in the second half of the day, do not take a bullish trade in the first half of the day. If in the second half of the day, so like 12 p.m. or after 12 p.m., you start seeing market making positive price action over here, then you can take a long trade also from here, but keep your quantity less, right? Because we are taking a trade against the trend, so it's better to keep your quantity less, and then we can take a kind of a contra trade in the end for maybe 100 to 80 points on the upside, right? If 19,000 is being held. Talking about Bank Nifty, if you see, for Bank Nifty, 42,600, 500, all these levels are going to be important support zones. So tomorrow, if we open flat and start crossing 42,007, 750, 760, we may see a spike on the downside, and then maybe we might see a consolidation. So maybe we might see momentum in the first candle itself, and then maybe we could see a bit of consolidation, and then in the end we could see a bit of recovery again till 42,800 levels, right? So tomorrow in the starting, you can go ahead and take a short trade over here, but make sure that the momentum is fast, right? If the momentum is not coming fast, chances are market will become volatile and take your stop loss pretty quickly, right? So If we open with a gap down somewhere near 42,600, 42,500, same thing, right? We could see a bit of initial momentum on the downside, and then in the end, we could see a recovery. So if you're seeing market not going down very fast, do either of one thing, right? Either book your profit or just keep your trailing stop loss, right? Keep your trailing stop loss tight. If you are maybe shorting 42,800 or whatever, keep booking profit in terms of premium, right? Keep trailing your stop loss, every 5 rupees after maybe 1 or 2 hours, right? So that you can capture in some sort of a premium if you are an option seller, right? Since tomorrow is an expiry, so you'll get good premiums. But today itself there was a very good decay in premiums, right? So anyways, same thing with nifty also. If we open the gap down, we may see a little bit of down move in the first candle itself. So in the first half an hour we could see a little bit of selling, and then we could see maybe a sort of consolidating or volatile day, and then in the end we could see a little bit of recovery since the market has moved down very much. And monthly expiries do tend to be very volatile, and they tend to reverse in the end, right? The trend kind of tries to reverse in the end. So we could again see something like that since the market will be approaching a support, right? So yeah, if we open flat or with a gap down, we could see a selling in the start, and then in the end we could see a bit of buying. But tomorrow we should not open with a gap up above 43,000, above 43,100, because if you open the gap up above 43,100, chances are there could be a bit of short covering, because 43,000 is a very important level for bank nifty, right? So if you are opening with a gap up way above 43,000, then maybe we could see a bit of short covering. And then if you see positive price action being made in 15-minute chart, you can also go ahead and take a bullish trade over here till 43,400 on the upside, right? Talk in bank nifty, right? And take with less quantity, that's fine. Things can be a bit volatile, so take your trade with less quantity. But yes, you can take a bit a kind of a reversal trade over here, because we are opening with a gap up over here. So chances are maybe we might see a little bit of a pullback, and then we could see again a sell off in the coming days, right? Same thing with nifty also. If you open the gap up above 19,200, then we can see a bit of momentum till 19,340 to 350 on the upside, right? So if you are opening with the gap up, you can wait for positive price action in 15-minute chart and then take a bullish trade also, but with less quantity. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.